Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy XRP on Coinbase wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For that, you just have to simply launch your Coinbase wallet. And here on the homepage, you will be able to see the buy option, so you need to tap on buy. Then you will be landed on this page where first you need to change your network, which by default will be Base. So you need to tap over here and select the Binance Smart Chain, because you can purchase XRP on this network. So now you just have to simply tap on the buy option, and here you need to use the search bar. In the search bar, you just have to type XRP and select this XRP that is Binance Peg, so you need to select it. Then just have to enter the amount of XRP that you want to purchase, or can even select the amount over here in the top. Now you need to press Continue to Payment in the bottom, and then press Continue again. So what this will do is it will redirect you on the provider's website where you just have to enter the amount again and you just have to create your account on this platform. Now in my country, it is on-ramp, but in your country it might be different or the options might be different. So you just have to simply conclude your payment, and once your payment is successful, you will get your XRP in Coinbase wallet in no time. So that's basically how you can buy XRP on Coinbase wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.